Are you tired of slow VPN speeds, endless buffering, and downloads that seem to take forever when using overloaded free UDP servers? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a UDP custom server and configure it with SocksIP Tunnel for a smoother and more reliable connection. We'll go through the entire process step by step, from creating your UDP server to importing the connection details into SocksIP Tunnel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open UDP Custom. First, open any browser on your device and go to the search bar. Search for UDP Custom and wait for the results to appear. Find the official UDP Custom website in the search results and open it. You'll be taken to the website's homepage. If you're using a mobile phone, you may see a slightly different layout. Look for the hamburger menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and tap it to open the navigation menu. From the menu, select the Premium UDP option to continue. Step 2. Choose a server location. On the next page, you'll be asked to select a server location. Choose a location that is geographically close to you or one that provides good performance for your connection. Once you've made your choice, tap Select Location to continue. Step 3. Create your UDP account. You'll now see an account creation form. Enter a username and password of your choice, then select Create to generate your UDP server. Wait a few moments while the system creates your server and generates the required connection information. Once the server is ready, your connection details will appear on the screen. Make sure to copy the required details carefully. You'll need this information when configuring the SocksIP Tunnel application. Step 4. Install SocksIP Tunnel. Now, open the Google Play Store and search for SocksIP Tunnel. Download and install the application on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll arrive at the main screen. Look for the gear icon and tap it to open the settings. Step 5. Configure UDP Request. Inside the settings, find the Tunnel Mode section. Select UDP Request, then open the UDP Request configuration. This is where you'll enter the server information you copied from UDP Custom. Carefully enter each value into its corresponding field. Double-check the server address, port, username, password, and other required parameters before continuing. Incorrect information can prevent the connection from working properly, so take a moment to verify everything. Step 6. Start the connection. Once all the settings are configured correctly, return to the main screen and tap the Start button. Give the application a few moments to establish the connection. If everything is configured correctly, SocksIP Tunnel should connect to your UDP server. And that's it. Your UDP custom server is now configured through SocksIP Tunnel. You've now learned how to create a UDP custom server, obtain your connection details, and configure those details in SocksIP Tunnel. Keep in mind that actual performance depends on factors such as server location, network conditions, server load, and your internet connection. A premium server can help avoid some of the congestion commonly associated with overloaded free servers, but it cannot guarantee a specific speed. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, leave a comment telling me how the setup worked for you, and share the tutorial with anyone who might find it useful. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next VPN and networking tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.